Welcome to the Tax Saving Minute. This is the show that teaches you how income taxes work in little bite-sized pieces so you can save money on your taxes. In Season 3, Freelancer Tax Freedom, we're teaching how you can save money on your income taxes if you own your own business. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today, we're going to talk about one deduction that is often overlooked that can be one of your biggest deductions on your tax return, and that is business mileage deduction. So what is a business trip? A business trip is driving from one business location to another business location. So if you're going from your co-working space to a networking event, that is a business trip, and it counts for business mileage. Now, there are two different ways to deduct business mileage. You can either take actual expenses, which is the actual expenses you spent that year for driving around and the cost of your car. Usually that's best if you just bought a car and you're depreciating it. Otherwise, I usually recommend the standard rate, which is a certain amount of money per mile that you can take for all the miles you drove for business. In 2019, that rate is 58 cents per mile, which may not sound like much, but if you multiply it by 10,000 miles, then that's $5,800 of a deduction. That's not just a deduction for your federal income tax, but it's also a deduction for Medicare and Social Security, that triple whammo deduction that I talked about earlier in the season. So keep track of that business mileage and all those business trips that you have throughout the year because they can really add up. Now, another thing that you need to keep track of for your business mileage are your odometer readings. You have to have your beginning and ending odometer readings for each year. So after you celebrate with fireworks on January 1st, go out to your car and write down your odometer reading. And just do that every year, and then you can take that juicy mileage deduction. Now, what is the one thing that can multiply that mileage deduction? If you want to know, join me in episode 7 to find out. Thank you for joining me for the Tax Saving Minute. If you have questions, please comment below. I'm Cynthia Umstadt, CPA. See you next time.